Got another Honda Pilot here in need of a headlight restoration, as you can see. So let's look it over right now. Passenger side, very hazy tops, hazy face. Obviously the tops take the most beating with some sunburn there. I zoomed in a little bit so you can see the scratching and all that. And then the driver's side is going to be the same condition. Sunburned tops and hazy forward facing. Wait till you see the awesome transformation. Just wait for it. Here you go. How's that? Like it just rolled off the showroom floor. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We are mobile. We come to you. 754-302-0769. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties, Florida. Text us your pictures or give us a call, 754-302-0769.